What's up, YouTube? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got the Arrma Infraction. I'm gonna do a quick speed test and drift around. See how she. I didn't do it. Yeah, these grippers on there. I mean, these got the GRPs on there, so she is gripping. Whoa. Yeah, definitely gotta be careful with that. And I'm running a Mamba X 6S system in there. I'll put in the description below what the specs are, because I can't remember off the bat. I want to do a quick speed test, just probably maybe up and down once, not too many times. This is not really a speed car. I just want to see what speeds I can get with it. She got some speed to her though. I don't need full throttle for half a second. All right, I'm gonna see what that speed was. Okay, I didn't start it. I am not a good speed runner. I'll tell you that much. Full throttle. Oh yeah. That was definitely full throttle right there. Seen that gyro kick in? This got a gyro in there. Maybe I should have put it on my limitless. All right, let me tell you what that speed was. So, stop. Read. 74 miles an hour. Not bad. Not bad at all. I could pull off more. Don't go down the hill. Go down the hill. I'm on 80. Give me 80 at least. That's all I'm looking for with this. It's like 80 miles an hour. Just ran my limitless. That disappointed me. Once these tires start gripping though, that's how it's gonna ride. It's gonna. Yeah, that was 73 miles an hour. I'm not hitting that 80 mark, which is fine. It's fine. I'm not a speedster. I'm just messing around really. But now I'm gonna do some drifting around. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do that on these GRPs, but I'm gonna give it a shot. That was quick. Whoa, speed bump. Whoa. Yo, these tires do not slide. Yo, this Yeah, this thing is a beast. Yeah, this thing a beast. I might make this 8S, I'm not too sure yet, because it handles 6 with no problem. Try to get my little speed car, my street car, not speed cars, my street cars, speed cars ready for the summertime.